Now, we are excited to showcase Nilight 5-inch 72W amber LED light bar. Let's check what's inside together. Upon opening the box, you will find a warranty card included. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. The set includes two 5-inch amber LED light bars with an aluminum housing, powered by 12PC's premium 3W LED chip. 12 feet extendable wiring harness with DT connector and on-off switch. Extra blade fuses. It contains durable adjustable mounting brackets and accessories for a hassle-free installation. The dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bring you wider and farther view area.